Today we are visiting a factory located in China to see the ins and outs of what it takes to produce the headphones you use on a daily basis. One of the main components of headphones is the copper wiring. Its main function is to transfer the signal. What we are currently looking at are massive amounts of copper being wound into spindles. This is where the copper wiring meets the rubber PVC. Here you will see the PVC being wrapped over the copper wiring, which gives that common look that we are so accustomed to with headphones. You may also notice many different colors of cable, along with few larger spindles of copper wiring. In this shot, you can see the copper wiring has been wrapped with black PVC, and it's ready to be cut to length. These cables must be put through a quality check before moving on. The cables are now ready to be cut. They are pulled to length, chopped, then grouped. They are ready to move on to the next station. In the half-automatic production line, you will see a process where an iron plate is combined with a magnet. When the plate is joined with a magnet, it produces the main body of the speaker. The next process is how the copper coils are prepared to be inserted into the earbuds. These coils are cut short, but will be tied into the earphones at a later time. The 1/8 inch needs to be crimped onto the cable. Here we see the process actually happening. Here is a close-up on the result. We are currently looking at a shot of the earbud cover being glued and prepared for the speaker. If you look closely, you will notice that the earbud caps are being pressed and completed. Next, we see the speakers being run through a frequency response test. If they don't reproduce the full spectrum according to the outline specs, they are pulled from production. The earbuds sometimes require a stamp or a logo. Here, we see a label being stamped on the headphones. A simple and very time-consuming process. So how is the plastic made that holds the headphones you purchase? Here the process is shown. On the final assembly line, all of the main components have come together into one final product. The headphones are placed, wrapped, and are heading off to the final stage of production. We hope we have given you a little more insight into what the production process looks like for a product you use on a daily basis. Thanks for joining us. For Audio Spice, this is Matthew Harris.